All right, it is a big day. I'm here with Jay, and Jay was our Smile Makeover giveaway that we chose last year. So it's been a full year for us to be able to go through this process. And Jay was struggling with his teeth and frustrated with them, and just wanted to be able to smile. And so we wanted to be able to help him out. And so each year we choose one person that we dedicate our smile to. And Jay was this year. And so today we are doing his reveal. Okay, so these are his temporary 3D printed teeth. And so this is a big day. He has no idea about it. So he's a little nervous about seeing it for the first time. But like I said, I just wanted to say thank you to Road Dental Lab for helping us be able to do this with their grammetry and everything there, and then Neodent for donating the implants there. Jay's a fantastic guy. His family is really grateful for everything that you guys have been able to provide us and allow us to make a difference in our community, and this is what it's all about. So, without further ado, we will give Jay his teeth and give him a smile.
Oh, wow. I haven't seen that in a while. Wow, that looks great.
So,
That's weird. That looks great. That looks great. Thank you guys so much.
yes. So, well, thank you. Jay's been fantastic. And like I said, I want to just thank everyone that's allowed this to make this possible. It truly is life-changing. And yeah, we're just making a difference in our community. I'm glad we can do that.
Thank you guys so much. Thank